Wait, please don't skip it. If you really wanted to skip, you can because it's a boring video and I really don't want you to watch and implement, because if you implement this, you might get a freelance project and you can make money and you can buy all those luxuries that you have dreamed, you have desired so far. Maybe a MacBook, maybe an iPad, maybe a luxury or whatever you have desire for. But why am I sharing you all these motivation stories, bro? There is no such motivation towards this, but an exact reality that can actually relatable to your situation as well. You know, back then, 10 days when I was about to sleep at 1 a.m., I got a call booked with one of a BTech graduates, and that to be into computer science background. He DM'd me with a certain question. Hey Neeraj, can you help me for certain thing? I went to a tier 1 city and everything is dependent on me and I have to survive in this month, and I've already spent 7,000 rupees, or let's say about 7 to 10,000 rupees on my home rent, and it's pretty much expensive and I need to survive, and I need to make some freelance project, and also I need to apply for some internship. But I have tried sending a cold DMs. I have tried doing a let's say LinkedIn apply. I have used this fancy open to work banner on my profile. But after watching a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of scrolls on Instagrams, I haven't get any responses. It been 10 days. Then I used to reply, bro, I really understand your situation. It's very paining for you. But I have certain thing that if you really wanted to experiment, you can, and give me a reply within 24 hours, or let's say a week. And he has his own desire of company he was about to apply with his resume, and also with his LinkedIn profile and what role he was about to. And he was trying to apply through LinkedIn, but it was something outdated. But I have crafted a negative based subject line that triggers someone to open it up and read entirely with I apologize and everything that's possible, right? And I have crafted whom to apply and where to apply, and also I've given him how to apply, how to write a cold outreach message to them, how to write a follow up sequence, and when to send up a follow up to them. Also, I've given them, if they have the LinkedIn profile, how to write a connection request just to get accepted from their end. Also, if they accepted and by any chance they got busy and they don't have any time to reply you back with the team, how you can send them a cold outreach message to get them recognize who you are and what kind of service or message that you want to deliver. Then again, if the same message also get ignored, how to reply with a follow-up sequence with a period of time. I've also given with that sequence, and that to be personalized, and I will also tell you how exactly you can do that by also helping him on on a specific role, how he can prepare his interview and everything, and how he can actually track it. All these things has been covered and going to be covered in this entire video, so please don't waste your valuable time. If you really feel like you are a very boring and outdated person, don't have this patience, you can use any caffeines, or let's say any coffee, chai, whatever suits you the most, because it's your life, your mindset, and your decisions. No one else will be forcing you towards taking one step, right? So hi, this is Neeraj. If you are really someone watching this video for the first time in my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It takes a lot of effort, and click the notification bell icon. It's nearby the subscribe button, so it will not take you to open your Google map and locate him. And if you really feel like this video is workable, helpful, relatable with the situation and really help, please reply your feedbacks in the comment and the till the very end. And also, if you want this one sheet of document into your DMs, watch this video till the very end, where I will be revealing you one simple word that if you really confident, and if you really uh, really pay a good amount of attention to this video without even skipping for it, I will really DM you and type the word that I will reveal in between that. So yeah, before waste much valuable time. I will be sharing you certain document, and the document is this. In the first document, I have revealed you with a tracker sheet. After you click it, you can make a copy if you really want. If don't ask me for the editing access. Here all these trackers that has been required according to it. If you go ahead and check the document, you can absolutely understand it. I have given every damn easy way possible to make you understand. You just need to go here, file, and make a copy, change the name, and you can click on copy. You can get access, and you can bookmark it if you forget and you are a really lazy person. If you are, right? Now I have also written the personalized based cold outreach email that actually gets reply. And why it actually work, it emotionally resonatable. And uh, you can use two methods. First, if you have a chat gpt free version on any AI tools, just type this prompt and update your resume, or let's say give some other descriptions about yourself, and simply use this prompt to get these details done. Or else, if you have a time, you can update this. I have given this name, I can change it. Let's say I have to change this name. Let's say it's a dummy name, right? Now I'll replace this with certain things. Let's say uh your name, right? Now you can use your name in place of that, and you can add your LinkedIn profile to it. And if you really have a time and you really feel you are a very good expert writer, you can absolutely rearrange this prompt and write it by yourself. Otherwise, it's absolutely fine. Make sure under 300 words, and not that shouldn't sound like in a robotic way. And you can follow up them with LinkedIn and email simultaneously. And here is the follow-up sequence that has been required, and when to reply, and every damn thing is here, so you can choose it according to it. I have given certain examples, you can choose it absolutely, right? And you can do the same copy for this on the very first, because I can't give you the editing access so far. And if you are really sending to someone under your niche, how you can recraft your connection note with the same process in the chat gpt. If they accept it, well, you can send them this outreach message. Third, you need to send them this a follow-up sequence. Then if still that's the last, you can send this. Also, how you can customize this, here is the placeholder, and what to replace, it depends on your niche, right? And summary of the sequence is connection request, message, follow-up, and follow-up too, with the purpose and tone, right? I've also given you with a certain example that you can follow and really design it for yourself, where I have talked someone who is a really average BTech CSE student whose goal is about to get noticed for a web development role. From the target audience, maybe a co-founder, HR, or hiring manager from a tech company, right? So this could be the purpose, and example message should be like this, that to be professionalized. And you can craft your practical research or mock interviews and system design preparations in order to prepare your interview with them, so that you give a better attempt, and you can track your records, how you have applied and what worked, what didn't work, what mistakes are you making, how you can overcome it, right? So I have given you the tracker sheet, you can follow it and make it done, right? Also, I've given you certain prompt here where you have to use the chat gpt, and also you can prepare like a pro for your interview for a certain job role, where I have also discussed something about the Python. It's all about someone as a computer science, so I have made it in a certain way. You can design it as per your, and I have given a reflection and a feedback journal, which you can keep with yourself in a diary, notepad, wherever you can, and keep tracking it and manifest it in a much better way. So now it's the end of this video. I wanted give as many values, and if you really wanted to think, bro, where to get all these emails and detail of certain company people, and I can definitely create a tutorial video on which tools to use or which AI tools to use. You can just comment in below if you want that, or else you can manually do it if you have a time. But it's a best tracker and a system that you can use by yourself. And if you want this exact document to be delivered with you within just 24 to 48 hours, and you wanted to implement this by sitting with myself, then you have to become a part of my VIP community and a mastermind by just paying certain amount, and it's not a very huge amount, that to be for lifetime. And I will only reveal the price, only you pay attention. But I will give you this document for absolutely free, and if you only type document in the comment below. And yeah, that's all for this video. Do like, comment and share to all those graduate friends who really feeling so stuck just to have this fear. Oh, I don't have anything to apply, I really don't know this technical stuff on how to write, what to write, where to write, how to apply, whatnot. And you have watched a lot of gurus sharing a lot of knowledges, but nothing you can get a values and a support. If you really wanted to get support, you can reply back to this video. I can definitely reach out, or my team will be reaching out to you. If this video sounds something much valuable for you, then please hit the subscribe button, also to the one alarm type of ghanti that's been there nearby the subscribe. It will not take you to click on to your Google map and locate where is the alarm. Click it there and get a notification bell icon whenever we used to update such best ever tutorial videos into your feed. And yeah, share your feedbacks. And if you're new, you can connect us with the LinkedIn. And yeah, that's everything there in the description, also in the channel about section. And thanks for watching. Meet you in the next upcoming videos. Till then, have a good day. Bye bye.